Hi guys, I wanted to walk you through this essay assignment document. You've been provided with what I call an MLA template. So for this essay specifically, you need to write in MLA format. You can definitely use this document since it is set up in a basic way in future assignments. The first thing you might want to do if you plan to use this for a future assignment is go to File, Make a Copy. And then you might want to call that copy MLA Template for yourself. That's if you plan to use it in the future, because right now it's going to be for this specific assignment. For this assignment specifically, you're going to use the one that you are assigned. To get the MLA heading, title, and header the way you need them, follow these instructions. Let's start with the header. The header is what is found in the upper right-hand corner of each page. You're going to double click at the top of the page. I've already put a place for your last name. You're going to highlight that and you're going to type in your last name. So for example, I'll type in Shickley. Then you can click out of the header. Next, we're in the heading. This only shows up on the first page of your paper. The header will automatically appear on each subsequent page. So page 1, 2, 3, and so on. You're going to want to change the first line to your own first and last name. So for example, for me, it would be Jenny Shickley. The second line is your teacher. I've already added my name here, but if you were doing this for another class using your MLA template copy, you would want to put Mr. McMahon if you're doing a paper for your history teacher, or Mrs. Hack if you're doing a paper for, say, your English class. And then the name of the class on the third line. Again, if this is for my class, this will remain the same. But if you were using the MLA template copy that you made for another class, you would type in the name of the class. So if it's for Junior English for Mr. Hicks, you would type Junior English here. The fourth line of the heading is the date. And we use the Universal Standard Date format of day, month, year. I know that that's different than the way many people do it in the United States, but this is traditional for MLA format, and it's also traditional for most places in the world. The next line is our title, and you'll notice that it is centered. Okay? That needs to remain centered. It's also in 12-point font, Times New Roman. Nothing is bolded, underlined, or capitalized other than the first word. Everything should remain the same, and you shouldn't make any changes to this template. It's already set in MLA format for you. When you click onto the next line, you'll notice that it even is already indented for you to start your first paragraph. You can just start typing right there your introduction. If you have any questions about using the MLA template, or if you accidentally make any changes to it, just see me during our live classes and I can help you put it back.